Hello, in front of me I've got BF6. In this video I'll show you how to buy Battle Pass. Battle Pass is standard system introduced in online games, thanks to which you can gain rewards like skins and more. In order to get Battle Pass, take a look at the top of the screen. Right here we've got the Battle Pass. To get Battle Pass, we have to buy 1100 coins. It's equivalent of about $10. Tap this button and buy coins for real world money. After you buy it, go back and press this button. Thanks to this function, you can unlock skins, weapons, Battle Pass coins, and more. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.